Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this 40-watt LED pool light set. Alright, so right here we have our LED light pool set. This one is a 40-watt 60-50 hertz 8 meters cable. It's an IP68 waterproof, so they do offer in several different options. You got a RGB 20-watt, and then you have just a regular RGB, and then you also have a 40-watt. This one here is the 40-watt, so it gives you two of these lights. They are super bright. This is an upgraded sealed magnetic with a hardwire. It is magnetic and it directly absorbs on the metal steel frame from your pool. So right here is the instructions on how to install the app, so you can change the lighting. So this is the app right here, or you can scan that QR code. So this one here has the product features, warnings, exposure statements, and so on. And it tells you on what lights that you need for the size of your pool. So you have different options right here for the size of your pool for the lights. And inside we get these two little little circle things right here. Those will be magnetized to your pool on the outside. Here is the light. So it does show as it being kind of like a teardrop, but this one here is more of a square. So this right here, it says to put the glue on this side, and then you adhese it to your pool. And then you get two strips of the glue, which I didn't actually have to use the glue. I just stuck it on the outside of my pool, and this is a really strong magnet, so it'll actually stick to the light itself. And then you have the other one. This is an upgraded sealed structure. It does not rust, leak, it lasts much longer. It is fully sealed, IP68 waterproof. It's got a built-in super strong magnet. Swim safe with a low voltage LED light, so that goes on the outside of your pool. You can install it. It's super easy to install. So these two here connect because there are double of this, and then it connects to a one charger. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this outside and I'm going to install it in my pool. So you can see right here I have the wires. What I'm going to do is I'm going to get some PVC pipe and just stick them in there so they don't just hang out. But you can see right there is the magnet on that one side for the light. So now I'm installing the second one right here, and it is magnetized to the side of the pool, so it does hold the light. You can see right there it just hangs over with the wire. I have one right here and I have one on the other side, and right now I'm actually doing a maintenance clean on my pool because we had a dust storm and my pool got super duper dirty. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the lighting on my phone. Bear with me because using the opposite hand it is kind of hard to touch this on my iPhone, so I'm trying to set the intensity level, and I just go ahead and try to pull it this way. I'm going to have to change hands to do that. So bear with me. I'm going to go and change my hand, and then I'm going to change the intensity. Alright, so right now I have it on my other hand. So this is the intensity level right here. I'm going to slide it down so you can see the different levels of intensity. So now this is a little bit lower. You go down lower, and then you go back up to the brightest. So now we're going to change. You can turn this wheel here to change the color, or you can do the set colors down here. So this is the blue one, this is the red, yellow, orange. Then they have white. Again, there's red, green. So now on the app, they also have other settings, pre-settings that you can set it to strobe, to flash. So you'll have to go into the styles. Okay, that's the music one. You'll have to go to the very first button. Bear with me, I'm trying to do it this one hand. So now here you've got static crayon, static yellow, purple, white, and then it just scrolls down so you can change each one of the colors. So then you got where you can have it bounce 3 or 7 different colors. So this is the red one, it'll bounce to a different color, green. So then you got 7 color switch. There's blue, green. So now we got the strobe flash. So this is flashing the strobe light. Then you got blue strobe, white strobe, green strobe, yellow strobe. You have so many strobe colors, and then it'll scroll down and then you can choose a different option. So here's the white strobe flash. You got static red, which basically just sets one color. Here's a static blue, static green, static crayon. I like the static crayon because it looks kind of like a blue, but a mixture of white. So this is the different options that you get with the app. So you can see here on the outside, I'm going to turn off my light so you can see the actual indentation of the light. So this is the dual pair, so I have one on each side, and it lights this pool really well. You can see there's a light there, and there's one on the other side right here. I did happen to move it over a little bit just so I can cover the other area, even though it just covers really good. These lights are super bright. I like the fact that you can control it with your phone or any other smart device. So everything is so dark outside. The only thing that you can see in my backyard is the pool to show you the lighting of this pool. If you guys are looking for a nice set of pool lights, I would highly recommend checking these ones out. And it does come with an app that you can download on your phone.